I Want My Carpet Cleaning Incorporated, based here in Sherwood Park, Alberta. We've been here for a long time, since 2012. We moved here, and this business, 13 years it's been going. We've had a lot of support from this community especially, but also Edmonton and the other areas as well. And we're just going to try and do something here, hopefully to give back a little bit. Very little, but something. It's what we do. What we're offering is we're going to have 2 appointments during the month of October 2020 that we want to go in and clean someone's residence at no charge. We're kind of accepting, I guess, nominations. Is that the best word? You can either submit for your own self, or someone that you know that maybe just having a cleaner house would kind of brighten their day up. COVID's going on, the pandemic, and all the rules and regulations that are taking place. People are losing their jobs, losing their businesses, their houses. Even the ones that are keeping them are kind of, a lot of places are on edge, not knowing what's going to happen next. Now, of course, we're going into the winter. It seems there might be a lot of extra restrictions coming up, or at least we're on the verge of it. And therefore, it's quite possibly going to spend a lot more time inside the house. So why not have it clean? Well, maybe sometimes the reason is you just can't do it right now because life isn't going that good. So we're just going to try and eliminate at least the financial burden of it for two residences, like a family or an individual, whatever. It doesn't matter. I mean, like, we're really not trying to put restrictions on this. We're just trying to keep it within the spirit of the idea, I guess. So what we're going to ask you to do is, if either yourself or someone that you know, you think they could use a carpet cleaning, if it would help them out a little bit for their house, get in touch with me either at 587-269-4928, or you can, probably best would be send a message through Facebook. We have a Facebook page there as well. You can check that out and see, we're kind of legit, and we're not just we are not fly-by-night companies like some of them are. But yeah, that's what we're trying to do. We know things are tough. We felt it. A lot of people we know have felt it. I've talked to a few people today that are on the verge of making decisions about closing their business down, especially independent type of smaller places. A couple truckers. It's I don't know. It's not good. Whatever. Anyway, so just to recap, my name's Scott. So I Want My Carpet Cleaning Incorporated is the name of the company. We're offering 2 free appointments. You're going to be chosen by nomination. You can either do it for yourself or for someone that you know. We're offering it for residential jobs. We're offering it in our service area, and it's got to be accessible by steam van-mounted, truck-mounted carpet cleaning system. So pretty much any house can be done with our system. Haven't come across one yet. When you get into apartments, some of the higher ones are a little bit harder to get to. So we're going to kind of probably have to put a limit on it of the 4th floor. And we're not going to charge for this. We're just trying to, brighten up someone's day or week or whatever it is, or make a very small change to someone by helping to get their house cleaned up. People are going through hard times. We know it. We've felt it. We've seen it. We talk to people almost every day. Not everyone is going through a hard time on this, but some people are, and that's the people that we're trying to get to now, just to hook them up with a small little smile. So use our Facebook page. You can message us through that. I'm sure you all know how to use Facebook, or you can call us at the 587-269-4928. We're going to keep the 15th and the 29th are going to ideally be the days that we offer. I think they're both Thursdays. I'm going to keep those open for this so that we can do it, because other appointments are coming in, of course. If something happens that the person that gets chosen to get this done can't have it done on those days, then if we can't, then, depending on what other appointments we have available, we'll try and work it out, obviously, to that family's or that person's schedule. But we're just going to keep a couple days available to make sure that there is something, because sometimes this time of year it gets really busy. Like I say, people getting cleaned up before the winter starts setting in. So we want to make sure that as time goes by that we offer this, and then all of a sudden, oh geez, sorry, we don't have any appointments available. So we're keeping those ones open. Contact us if you could share this, like this. I mean, we want to have this offered out to as many people as possible to make sure that the right people get it. Whoever that is, I don't know, obviously, but whoever the right people that need this type of thing, that's who we want to get this type of thing. Okay. Thanks very much for your help. If you have any questions, we're gonna keep this as simple as possible. We're not like having a lot of rules. We're not going to be asking questions. We certainly aren't going to be walking in mocking anybody, so there's no reason to be embarrassed or anything. We're just trying to do something to help. A lot of people around here have helped us out over the last 13 years, and by referring us to their friends and family and other businesses. And this is just something that we think now we need to give something a little bit back, maybe more now than usual. Okay, thanks very much. Have a good day.